Real estate is at the precipice of a digital transformation. Data analytics has entered the business to extract more value from all functions, be it marketing, project planning, or auditing. But the data collection process needs to be optimized for decision-making and not just visualization. Enter an end-to-end BI platform powered by a robust data universe. Gain powerful insights by performing advanced scenario analysis and forecasting techniques by plugging in your data. Use real estate intelligence to spot new investment opportunities. And deploy AI and machine learning to bridge the gap between data and decisions. Lumenore enables you to adhere to local rules and regulations, visualize compliance obligations for your properties, determine outstanding payment obligations or tax liabilities, monitor profit targets, gain insight into your financial administration, and view your balance and cash flow through a live feed. That's why leading real estate enterprises trust Lumenore to solve data-related challenges and achieve business goals.